Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, my Lolila. Another unboxing video. This is my third time to do unboxing video na related sa plants. The first unboxing, same shop siya sa binilhan ko ngayon. So, I bought the first one, yung string of hearts ko at saka yung Pothos from them as well. So, ang tawag sa shop nila is the LIan Tropicals. Kasi gusto ko yung packaging nila kaya I decided to reorder. And hindi naman siya masyadong mahal. So, let's start the unboxing. So, I don't know ang size ng box na ito. Medyo malaki. Mahirap kasi yung focus ng camera nakaslant. Sige lang. So, let's use a scissor. I'm going to keep the boxes in case na magpa-deliver ako ng mga plants ko. So, in here, my letter ka from them. Envelope pala, not letter. I think may cards to. So here is the delivery receipt and the total price that you paid for the plants. Hindi ko na lang siya i-detail. So it says here, there is always room for more plants. Naka-focus pa. And my thank you card sila. Thank you for your order. And this is my order. Hoya Carey. I'm going to keep this for sure. And there's a care guide on how to take care of the plant. So nice. That's one. And this one is the second one. Monstera adansoni. Nahirapan ako sa pagbasa sa mga names, scientific names. It's called the money mask or the Swiss cheese vine. My plant care guide din. Sa likod. And I have this string of pearls. Doon ko din nabili yung string of hearts ko sa kanila. Ganda, no? So, I really love this. Then here. And another one. So, hindi ko alam kung ilang binili ko. 5 pala. 5 plants yung binili ko. So, ganda ng packaging talaga nila. So, individually wrap yung plants mo and it's safely wrapped with this material. Dito na lang ito siya i-recycle yung green paper. But i-recycle ko tong parang cardboard. So, ginunting ko lang yung tape. And I'll open it. So, naka-wrap siya. So, it's inside a very small pot. I'm going to repot it. Ang ganda, no? Wow. Parang na-inspired akong mag-deliver ng plants sa mga kakilala ko dito sa malalayo. I-fast forward ko lang ito. para hindi kayo maboard. So this is the Monstera adansoni, if I say it correctly. Ganda ng leaves niya, no? Mag-open naman tayo sa next plant. I'll do better next time sa unboxing ko. Very secured yung pagkalagay nila sa plants, no? Hindi talaga siya maganda siya. Oh. Wow, very sensitive kasi ito eh. Delicate pala, not sensitive. Very delicate. Nahulog, pero I'll still plant them. This is the one, the string of pearls, or the Senecio Rolanianus. I don't know really how to read that one. Ang pronunciation, ano pa ako sa YouTube or sa Google kung ano, how to pronounce it properly. Pero since nauna akong mag-unboxing before researching the names, so maybe I'll say it. I'll edit it and I'll say it in a correct way. So this is the plant. So far, gusto ko yung mga nabuksan ko. This is the third one. See? Heart shape. This is the Hoya. Medyo malaki tong isang box na to. I'll definitely will order again. Nagbibenta din kasi ako ng mga halaman, kaya bumibili ako, tapos pinapropagate ko sila. So, hindi siya luho. Business siya. And at the same time, stress reliever. Nice one. This is the neon Pothos. So nice. And the last one. If you know what type of paper is this, can you please put it in the comment section so I will know? Gusto ko siyang bilhin. Is it the Japanese paper? Or tissue paper or colored tissue paper or what? So very pretty. Hala, nindot siya. Wala ko nagmahay, ni palit ko niya. Wow.